Hey, hey. So again, last week we talked about CPI data being released, and hey, we actually saw CPI and very simply inflation actually dropping, right? So we actually hit a rate of 2.4%, which was down another 0.1%, and it was actually higher than expectations. Expectations was basically about 2.3%. However, again, it's remained the lowest level since February 2021, which is absolutely fantastic. And yeah, man, so that was great. PPI came in great as well, right? So again, inflation numbers dropping, which is great, good news with regards to with regards to interest rates as well, which we will see result of in the coming few weeks in November, right? So that's basically what happened, right? So again, with regards to the S&P 500, we hit all-time highs, record highs, with banks giving very good earnings numbers as well. Tesla actually unveiled Robo Taxi, last week. Unfortunately, the markets didn't react very well to it. Right? The markets actually dropping, right? So let's have a quick look with regards to what we saw, what we see in the markets, right? So again, if you have a look at SPX, this week we hit all-time highs, hitting 5815. Really, the market's just steaming up non-stop, right? So it's been an absolutely crazy run, right? And again, hitting all-time highs again, 5815. The SPX on the dailies, as you guys can see, moving up very nicely, going into the elections coming November, right? So markets pushing up really well. SPX doing great. Even Nasdaq as well, right? Even Nasdaq with all the tech companies, very close to its all-time highs, which we hit in June, right? Which we hit in July, sorry, right? We're gonna probably break it as well, right? So again, a very exciting times. With the markets doing absolutely fantastic, right? If I have a quick look at even Bitcoin, right? If you have a look at Bitcoin as well, right? Bitcoin again, just this morning had a very good massive break, right? So very good break. Markets actually really pumping, going up higher, and again, let's see if this leads to further upside to over 70,000 in the coming few weeks, especially with the elections coming up literally in about 2 to 3 weeks time, right? So that's very exciting news. The market's probably taking up after a slow start to October, but right now we're seeing a good bullish movement, right? So that's basically what's up. And this week, what else do we have to watch out for? Very simply, this week is also the start of earnings week, right? So this week we have all the major companies. Next week we have the major companies, but this week is very simply the start of all your companies actually announcing earnings as well, right? So that's pretty exciting, right? So that's basically happening this week. Netflix actually announcing earnings, and the majority of your banks also announcing earnings already, right? So that's basically the news for this week. I'm looking forward to good bullish momentum, right? We're only on Monday, but the momentum is starting to be strong, right? So looking forward to great renewed energy in the markets, all right? So let's go.